My name is Joe Standard. This is Module 1. This is my introduction for EDL 850 School Law. So to start off, a little bit about myself. I am a teacher at Winfield High School with about 700 students. I teach ninth grade ELA with some reading. I am an ESU alumni. This is my sixth year teaching, and I currently live in Derby with my girlfriend, who I'll be proposing to later on this year. Um, so I'm kind of excited about this class because, well, I'm ready to learn about school law, federal and state. But some things that I kind of noticed from my administration and school board, some things that we do to kind of stay informed. We do beginning of the year in services where we talk about suicide prevention, um, bloodborne pathogens, things like that. That has to deal with, what what the state requires us to do. We also have our teacher handbook, which goes over what the school board expects us to do with school dress codes, what's expected of us as teachers, protecting the students' rights and everything. We also have our in-service meetings, our PLCs, where we go over MTSS for Every Student Succeeds Act. We are currently doing that within our school. Within our schools, we're focusing right now more on behavioral and social. We also do crisis drills. We just started doing those more this year. Usually we just focus on the fire drills and tornado drills, but this year we're focusing more on crisis drills with everything that has been currently happening. Like I said, we also have our PLC meetings where we go over different aspects that we need to cover within our building to make sure that we are practicing what is expected from us from the state and federal level. So some of my personal knowledge, it's very low. I'm wanting to learn as much as I can. I'm excited about this course. I'm ready to learn. I know our school policies. I know what the district lays out and what's expected of us. Statewide, I do follow the IEPs. I follow the 504s. I go to meetings regularly as well. But I want to expand more on my understanding of what is expected of me as an administrator and as a teacher about what the law is stating and making sure that I am following it and I can administer what is being stated. So my plan to do that is talk to my administrators about specific laws and how they affect our school and district. What are we doing to address these? I think open communication is key. Go to more board meetings. I have an issue of not going to board meetings a lot. Getting an understanding of what's going on there at the local level would be a really smart idea. Joining a digital community would be a great opportunity. I'm a big supporter of teachers, administrators getting together and talking things through, getting an understanding of how things work, especially when it comes to school law, since there's a lot there that we need to go through. And then learn that all I can from this class, ask questions and be involved. I'm a big believer that, you get what you put into it, and I want to put all that I can into this course so I can get a better understanding of school law and how it's going to affect me when I become an administrator. So that is my presentation. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned a little about myself and my experience. Thank you. Have a great rest of the class.